Alright, what's going on, guys? Just got finished with the second test and tune and I am whooped. I got like 15 runs. I got down to like I think my best was like a 25.4, which on these shitty ass Falcons right now isn't really that bad, to be totally honest. I think when I get the yokes on, it's going to be a little bit better. And there goes Calvin. So anyhow, I'm going to get the yokes put on in about a week and a half here, and I think that's going to be good for probably another half second to a second. We'll see. A second would be great. Let's roll into the footage, and I will talk to you guys later. See ya. This was the second test and tune event of the year, and the last one was actually a few weeks ago. I found my rear brake pads to be heavily worn down to the wear indicator, so I ordered some new Ferodo DS2500s to replace the stock Brembo pads with. The whole point of that is to give a little bit better modulation, and hopefully they'll be a bit grabbier too once they wear in. Today they weren't super grabby, but that was actually pretty good as I was still getting used to them. I actually bedded them in the morning, and I let them sit before the first heat, but they weren't really given a full 24 hours to sit overnight or anything like that. And you can see right there, I actually went off course because the rear end was getting a little twitchy on the 229 run Falken 660s that I still have on the car at this point. I'm planning on running them next week at North Park, and they're going to have about 235 runs by the end of their life. And yes, I'll be putting some new ones on before the first STC event. So right now you're looking at my quickest run. It was actually a 25.4. The tires felt a little bit better this round as compared to the last test and tune because it was 80 degrees out, and the last event it was 60 degrees. So I'm sure that made them a little bit more pliable and a little bit more grippier. So that's where I ended the day. I was still, a good second to 2 seconds actually off of some of the top times in DS. But, that's going to be fixed with the new tires. And actually, for both of these events, I have been running a full tank of fuel. And the spare tire is still in the car. And that's going to be coming out at the next event. Plus, I will have less fuel.